Wouldn't it be nice to earn money by doing hardly anything at all? I know. It sounds too good to be true. But the truth is, there are so many ways to make money online, and some are simpler than you can even imagine. For example, you can make money by clicking links and ads. GPT, Get Paid To, and PTC, Paid to Click, sites do just that. Advertisers pay these sites to run their advertisements, and the site pays its users to click and view them. GPT sites also provide you with other ways to earn, such as playing games, searching the internet, taking surveys, and even reading emails. But be cautious, not all GPT and PTC sites can be trusted. Some are better than others, and some are even straight-up scams. But not to fear. We're here to take the guessing game out of all this, and help you find the 10 best paid-to-click sites out there. If you want to know how to earn by clicking ads, you've come to the right place. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. In this video, we'll take you through 10 of the best paid-to-click sites to make money online in 2021. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, your #1 channel for the best tips and tricks to earning a passive income, from doing surveys to selling books on Google Play. This channel will inform you on making the best decision to earn money in your free time. Remember, earning money isn't about becoming rich, but creating a better life for yourself. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. Let's get started. 1. iSense. We highly recommend iSense. To begin with, the best pay-to-click sites list. ClickSense comes in the first position. ClickSense is one of the oldest and best paid-to-click sites to make money. You get up to 2 cents per task completed. Moreover, 20% of your referrals task. You can make money by taking surveys, doing small jobs, and clicking on ads. ClickSense is one of the most trusted PTC sites. ClickSense has been online and paying its users since 2007, hence making it the best in the industry. Earn up to 2 cents per task. Earn 20% of your referrals task income. You get unlimited jobs and referrals. The minimum payout is $10. Paid via Payoneer, Pay2, Tango Card. Moreover, skill. The oldest and most trusted PTC website has been running since 2007. Make money by watching videos, paid surveys, and much more. 23M plus registered members. 2. Get Paid. Yes, this is the name of the website. It is the website where there are different levels of referral. You can earn easy money from here. All you need to do is register an account and start clicking on ads. You can get paid from $0.001 to 3 cents. There is no limit on direct referrals. You can add an unlimited number of direct referrals from here. Also, there are different levels you can look at, which will give you more money. Therefore, you can surely go with the website to earn some decent cash using this website. The website has a clean user interface. There are 2 levels of referral where you will get 20% and 30% respectively from all the users that you refer. There is no limit on how many people you can refer. You can not only request a payout from PayPal, Bitcoin, but you can also go to Walmart and Amazon. For shopping lovers, you can take out your shopping expenses using this website. Unfortunately, there are no rented referrals available. Therefore, you will only have to go with the direct ones. 3. GPT Planet. GPT Planet is free to join and pays you to view advertisements, click links, complete offers, and refer new members to the platform. There are also paid surveys available, although not as many as other GPT sites. What's great about GPT Planet is their simple payment system. You earn up to 1 cent per click and can cash out for as little as $1 via Skrill, Neteller, Payer, and even Bitcoin. GPT Planet has been around since 2010, so it's not the new kid to the PTC block. They've paid out nearly $1.5 million in that time, so there's earnings to be had here. While their website could use some updating, don't let that fool you. GPT Planet is a legit, trusted site and is a great choice to make extra money by clicking links. Don't pass up this one. 4. NeoBucks. Neobucks works differently to a lot of the other PTC and GPT sites on this list. With Neobucks, you choose a membership plan which determines how much money you make per click and the quality of ads you see. With the free standard Neobucks membership, you'll earn roughly $0.015 per link click and ad you view. While this doesn't sound like a lot, with Neobucks there's no limit on how many links you can click and therefore how much you can earn. Plus, you can always up your membership plan and earn more per click and get exclusive benefits. Another perk to Neobucks is their low payout amount, which is only $2. So, after clicking lots of links and making money, you can cash it in fast. However, Neobucks doesn't pay via PayPal like a lot of other GPT sites. Instead, they use Skrill and Neteller to distribute payments, so you'll need to sign up with one of these. 6. Scarlet Clicks. Scarlet Clicks is another great option for those of you looking for easy ways to get paid online. Their minimum payout is only $2 and pays via Skrill, Neteller, Payer, and Bitcoin like a lot of other pay-to-click sites. With Scarlet Clicks, you can earn money by clicking links to ads, completing online forms, and referring friends to the site. Expect to make up to 1 cent per click and earn up to 100% of referrals earnings. Not too bad. Scarlet Clicks does have different membership plans which determine the amount you can withdraw each time. For their standard free plan, you can withdraw up to $5 each time. If you upgrade to a higher plan, you can withdraw between $10 to $50, depending on the one you choose. While referring people is one of the best ways to earn on Scarlet Clicks, there are many other simple ways to get paid, so you won't be without options. 7. OfferNation. OfferNation is another great get-paid-to site that has a bunch of online survey opportunities, as well as other simple ways to make money online. You can earn by referring people and through paid-to-click offers by advertisers. Just for signing up, OfferNation gives you 25 cents to get you started. From there, surveys pay between $0.80 to $5 each, and you can cash out using PayPal, gift cards, Bitcoin, Skrill, and more. And to date, OfferNation has paid out over $1 million to its members, so get in on that. Overall, this is a good GPT site that provides a steady flow of survey offers and other simple tasks to make money by clicking links, playing games, and viewing ads. 8. AWage. AWage was created in 2009 to help websites and advertisers gain exposure and pay people like you to view websites and click ads. Users can also make money by taking surveys, filling out online forms, watching videos, and just simply surfing the internet. AWage will pay you up to $0.015 per ad clicked and has a low payout minimum of only $1. They work with PayPal and Payza to pay users and offer Target and Amazon gift cards. If you're looking to sign up with just one site, we wouldn't recommend this one. But if you sign up for AWage along with a few others, you'll have plenty of opportunities to make money and boost your earning potential. 9. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash offers even more ways to get paid beyond just clicking ads and links. They also pay you to fill out forms, take surveys, play online games, and download apps. Did we mention you also get paid to just sign up? Yup, you'll get a free $5. With Fusion Cash, you get paid through PayPal and gift cards to major retailers, so you can be sure your payments are secure and legit. One slight downside to Fusion Cash is that their minimum payout is quite high at $25. This means it will take you much longer to cash out than other pay-to-click and get paid to sites. However, you shouldn't be expecting quick returns on any of these sites, so if you sign up for a couple and get to clicking, that's all that matters. Those are some of the best paid-to-click sites out there, so get clicking. It depends on you to explore, based on your skills, which one of these ways is appropriate for you. You should be well prepared because it's going to take so much time and effort to get things done. If you are using one of these above sites to earn money, feel free to comment down below on which site you utilized and how it's going. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.